Thanks to everybody who came to the 2024 Diggermate conference. It was amazing to see all the new faces and some of the older faces, or all the old faces, and the people who have been around for a long time. Thank you to the entire community for being a part of the Let's Get Loud conference. I hope that we've given you the tools to build some solid foundations to really drive your business forward in 2025 and beyond. Really looking forward to seeing where we take Diggermate in the future.
Yeah, it was really good this year. This is the fourth one I've been to, or fifth one I've been to. This year was really good. It was great to get with all the other people in the Diggermate group and sit around and talk about all the different ideas. Besides all the content that was brought forward for us to help expand our business. The biggest thing that I got out of it is you're not alone. There is 80 other franchisees now, and that makes it amazing for you to be able to bounce ideas off and understand what's going on. So that was probably the best bit for me. Oh, look, if you're thinking about joining Diggermate, get on board. It's such a great opportunity to expand your knowledge on business and understanding how to get people in from marketing perspectives and everything else that goes with the business. It's so easy. You just do the thing and it's done.
Really enjoyed catching up with everyone from last year and all the new faces. If you're having this part of the community, you're never alone. Highly recommend coming. Don't hesitate, just do it. The support systems, the booking systems, the knowledge base, and being able to have the whole team behind you at all times. Just do it.
It's a fantastic event. It really gives you an opportunity to bond with everybody else that's there, and there is such great new content that's been delivered by the Diggermate headquarters that really make it worthwhile. The favourite thing I got out of it was the bonding with all of the other franchisees and the sharing of ideas, and everything's there. Marketing is brilliant. The team that exists among the franchisor and the franchisees is just excellent, and it really supports you growing your business from scratch to a very profitable organisation.
No, look, it was really great. It was good to see everyone again. Great information. That spreadsheet of mix, unbelievable. Understanding what the business is focused on, the direction of the business, and the new blood within the business and what potential we've got.
So it was my first conference here in Diggermate, and it was great to get new ideas, share some thoughts with others, and that's great. So favorite thing about that we shared new ideas with others, and the spreadsheet that shows our new targets and everything, that we're gonna start using the spreadsheet, and that would be great and amazing. It's a great opportunity, and it would be a great journey and new business or start something on your own.
So we just wrapped up our 2024 conference. If you're thinking about joining Diggermate, the time is now. We've got an amazing group of Diggermate owners around the country, full community for you to be a part of. Some amazing systems, some really solid foundations, and at Diggermate we're almost 100 locations around Australia and New Zealand, but we are just getting started. Our mission is to become the loudest mini excavator hire company in the country, so if you want to join us on that mission, we'd love to hear from you. This year our conference was Let's Get Loud. Next year it's going to be even bigger and better. We hope that you are there.